Right now, the sentiment score for robotics sits at -0.39, a notable dip compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it signals a shift in perception that you should pay attention to. Coupled with a momentum of -0.28, this might indicate waning confidence in recent robotic advancements or market developments. Our API provides you with nuanced insights into sentiment, delivering not just raw scores, but also breaking down 18 semantic clusters related to robotics. This means you can identify specific areas of concern or interest, allowing you to tailor your strategies accordingly. For instance, if you're developing a robotics application focused on automation, understanding these sentiment shifts can guide your feature prioritization or marketing strategies. Check out the detailed documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs and start integrating sentiment insights into your projects today.